What's up, guys? This video I'm just testing out pretty much my camera, my JVC. It's a GZ EX 355BU. Looks pretty cool. I have it on this little tripod, that's why it's steady. I'll zoom in a little bit more in a little bit. Let me try zooming in. It's probably gonna shake a little bit. Get a closer view. It's pretty cool. Supposedly it's a supermoon. Today's September 9, 2014. So I thought I should just test out the camera. I don't really use it at night. Let me zoom in a little bit more. It's gonna shake. I gotta get a better tripod. This is a little cheap. It's literally like 4 inches tall tripod, but it looks good. I'm gonna zoom out, then zoom back in. Okay, let me zoom out. Doing it from the window of my room. Okay, right there, I'm all the way out. Start zooming in. I don't know if you can see, there's the street behind my house. Probably hear the cars. Let me try zooming in. I'm not gonna sit here and say this is the best camera. Pretty sure there's way better cameras, better quality, zoom, stabilization, everything. I mean, this is just a camcorder. I think it cost me, I forgot, I think it was like $250 at Fry's Electronics. But, it looks good. But alright, guys, just wanted to show you. Well, I'm just pretty much just testing out my camera at night. And I thought I'd just get a shot of the moon. Looks pretty awesome. Alright, guys, take it easy.